Revolut is a popular digital banking service that allows users to transfer money quickly and securely. To get the most out of Revolut transfer money feature, follow these steps. First, download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, you can add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring funds from your existing bank account. To transfer money, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Transfer Money section. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, email address, and the amount you want to transfer. You can also add a message to the transfer if you want to. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is that it allows you to transfer money in multiple currencies with competitive exchange rates. When transferring money abroad, make sure to check the current exchange rate and any applicable fees before confirming the transfer. To minimize fees, consider using the Revolut Premium or Metal account, which offers unlimited exchange and lower fees. You can also use the Revolut app to track your transfers in real time and receive notifications when the recipient receives the funds. In addition to transferring money to individuals, Revolut also allows you to transfer money to businesses and pay bills. To do this, simply navigate to the Pay Bills section of the app, enter the biller's details, and confirm the payment. To ensure the security of your transfers, Revolut uses industry-standard encryption and two-factor authentication. You can also use the Revolut app to freeze your card and block any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and tips, you can use Revolut to transfer money quickly, securely, and cost-effectively. Remember to always check the exchange rates and fees before confirming a transfer. And consider using the Revolut Premium or Metal account to minimize fees. With Revolut, you can transfer money with confidence, knowing that your transactions are secure and reliable.